As you saw, canned tuna isn't just for salads or sandwiches. This dish transformed a humble tuna into a crave-worthy surprise with just 10 simple ingredients. Get ready to see tuna in a whole new light. Enjoy a budget-friendly Mediterranean tuna dinner in just 10 minutes. Not a fan of beans? No worries. Swap them out for chickpeas or lentils. Both are packed with nutrition. Want extra greens? Toss in a handful of spinach or arugula for a fresh boost. Feel free to mix and match. This recipe is flexible. Well, I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. For more one-pan Mediterranean ideas, be sure to like and subscribe. And don't stop here. Please explore my other videos for easy, healthy dishes packed with flavor. Wishing you good health, and I will see you in the next video as we explore another one skillet creation. Take care.